healthcare for 22 years. So I am the medical tourism specialist here. So I travel more than 22 countries, Africa, and more than 2 Asian countries as well. So here we today to introduce our doctor. She is the wonderful IVF treatment doctor, and she is the national awardee of laparoscopy and IVF treatment. So here with me, Dr. Vaishali Sharma. So it's my privilege to introducing her here this evening. So Dr. Vaishali Sharma, I am welcoming you in My Care India forum.
Nice having you here also.
Thank you.
And it's my privilege to share this forum with you. I'm practicing with IVF. I'm practicing for last almost 14 years in South Delhi, and I have finished my post graduation from AIIMS. I was at AIIMS New Delhi for almost 6 years. I did my junior residency there first, and then I was privileged to get the senior residency as well. So I got the privilege of learning all the techniques and all the present day technologies from our emeritus professors there. After that, I was able to pursue a course in laparoscopy from Germany, and I tried to enhance my skills in IVF, and after that I was able to get a course in genetics from Harvard also. So I was privileged to get the skills from all over the places where we can learn from, and all these skills have helped me in taking care of all the patients who are visiting me, and it's very close to my heart that when we are treating a woman and there are all sorts of problems we face, there are societal norms, there are certain myths, and infertility, as we consider, it is very important topic, and it's really my pleasure to be here with you to discuss on this topic today.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you for your introduction. And yes, I know her very well because she is a renowned IVF doctor in Delhi. So basically, doctor, I travel many African countries, and I know patients' queries frequently I am getting from specifically from Africa that I believe that might be for genetic or obesity, because of this infertility is one of the main cause for infertility. I think I believe in that. So it's some experience I have because I'm handling since long into this industry. So doctor, I need to understand that what does IVF treatment actually do?
See, IVF treatment is basically meant for the couples who are trying for pregnancy and they are not able to conceive naturally. We have tried other treatments like ovulation induction, IUI, laparoscopy, and even when we are not able to get a positive result, then IVF plays a major role, and it gives us a positive result in majority of the cases, especially in the cases where tubes are blocked and where there are major problems with the semen parameters. In all such cases, IVF plays a boon, and it is very helpful for those couples, and we are really happy to have them treated with this technology nowadays.
Wow, what a wonderful interaction with you, because my patients, they want to know many information because they are sitting in different countries. So I want to give them some information, valid information about it. So thank you for your response in that. And is IVF pregnancy safe? Sometimes they ask that, is it a safe IVF treatment in India? So how you can elaborate it with our patients?
Yeah, see, IVF treatment is completely safe. I know there are many myths, there are many misconceptions, but IVF babies, they are absolutely normal. There are no mental abnormalities, there are no physical disabilities, and now we have been practicing IVF for so many decades. So many IVF babies have been born over the last many decades, and there are no studies and there are nothing which says that there are some higher risks. In fact, there are studies which have studied the mental health of the IVF babies and other physical disabilities also. So they are not at high risk of any of those. So IVF babies are completely normal, so nothing to worry about. It is just like a natural pregnancy. Only thing is that we are making use of science and technology to achieve that pregnancy.
Wow, what a wonderful information we got it now. So can the patient can get pregnant naturally after the IVF treatment if they get it done?
Yeah, absolutely. If they are getting IVF for the first pregnancy, then they can definitely conceive naturally in their next pregnancy. There is no contraindication or there is no problem in that. If many a times we have seen that a couple who has gotten first pregnancy delivered after IVF, they can conceive naturally. They are conceiving naturally if there is no recurrent cause of infertility. And many a times when their stress gets relieved, then they are able to conceive naturally also. So there is no contraindication for that.
For that, okay. So one more question is it came into my mind that why nowadays means earlier it was hardly find infertility cases, but nowadays it is very frequent means its numbers are increasing. So could you just explain to me why it is increasing nowadays?
Yeah, infertility is increasing nowadays. There are many reasons: stress, lifestyle diseases, diabetes, polycystic ovaries, fibroids, endometriosis. All those things are increasing nowadays. It can be related to your lifestyle, it can be related to genetics, and all these things they can cause some problem if you are trying to conceive. And also nowadays, as the women are more inclined towards their career options, they are delaying the pregnancy, and many times they are start trying in the advanced stage. So in such cases, sometimes they may feel problematic. There can be some difficulty in conceiving naturally. So in such cases, IVF plays a major role, and it helps us in achieving positive result in such cases as well.
Wow. So thank you, doctor. We got so much of information, but we'll do frequently one